Hello folks, my name is rWhite with BISH'S RV here in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2021 new Cyclone 3413 Toy Hauler, fifth wheel. Let's go inside and take a look at some of the features. This is a great floor plan. You've got the center island with the sink, gas grill top, stove, the big huge 18 cubic foot fridge, nice microwave convection oven, TV above, a lot of storage in this, nice sofa. Of course you set across from your TV. It's got the little fireplace. Before we go into the garage, we're going to go up and look at the master suite and bedroom. It's got a great bathroom, nice walk-in shower, solid counter surfaces even in the bathroom. Of course, it's got the king bed and the slide. This comes down and folds into a nice king bed. It's got a great wardrobe, nice dresser, a lot of storage all the way throughout this coach. It does have two air conditioners. I love the big window in the bedroom. That's really a nice feature. Also, underneath your dresser here, you slide this open, you've got a TV that comes out. So, of course, when you're not watching TV, you've got the great window, and when you're watching TV, it's there. Okay, we're going to go down and take a look at the garage area. Nice big garage. This has got the upper bed. The lower one turns into facing sofas that can be used for a booth. It's got the door that closes off, the screen patio door. Also the ramps around or the rails around the deck. It's got also back here just a quarter bath with the toilet and a sink. And these walls fold so that it'll handle most of your needs for storage in the garage. Also, up above you do have sleeping area. So that's a real nice feature. You can mount a TV back here. The TV would mount right here, and it does have washer and dryer hookup. Folks, once again, my name is rWhite with BISH'S RV. You can reach me direct on my cell phone at 541-521-8914. Have a great day.